So there's 3 bones of the pelvis held together by a marvelous ligamentous web that works as the great adapter for the forces coming from below and the forces coming from above. It's supposed to be able to adapt through here. But often that's not the case because of stiff hip or SI joints, and that's what we're going to address right now, are possible SI joint problems. I love this routine because it's kind of a shotgun. It handles a bunch of things in a short period of time. Okay, so at first I'm going to take MJ's leg and I'm going to be pulling on it. When I'm pulling on MJ's leg, what's it doing to this ilium on this side, huh? Okay, it actually is pulling it back. The ilium is coming back like that. So if the pelvic bowl is doing that, this is going to pull it back like that. So that's kind of what we're concentrating on in this routine, is getting all of these 3 bones working properly and moving properly together. Okay, picking up MJ's leg, this is it. You come in, right hand, if you're standing on your partner's left side, you come in with the right hand and tuck over like that. Again, come over. This is a thing in workshops. People get all sorts of weird things going on. Come over. You come over and you've got them like this right now. Now you've got to take your hand and put it on the thigh. So you got that, step 2. Step 3 is put your other hand against your arm here. Now you got them in your armpit. If breast tissue is an issue, get them out here in the armpit or use a pillow. Here we go. So, first thing we're going to do is what? Pull it back. What's that doing? Letting that ilium come back, posteriorly rotate that ilium. So here we go. Got it posteriorly rotated. Now I'm compacting and distracting. Compact, distract, compact. Why would I do that? Why am I doing that? Why do you want to do that to a joint that's maybe having problems compacted? Because it pumps all the fluids out of the joint, and then when you distract, it sucks them back in. And the fluids that are sucked back in are generally healthier than the fluids that were in there. Here we go. Compact, distract, compact, distract. What about internal rotation, internal femoral rotation? Let's make that acetabula work in a number of other ways. Here we go. Internal femoral rotation, correct. And distract, compact, distract, compact. Really work this hip over. You do not have to be polite to the femoroacetabular joint. It's a tough, tough ball and socket joint. Okay, so that's internal femoral rotation. Let's do external. When you do this, it's a bit tricky, but not hard. You just take them into external rotation, come along, back in the back here, where's that leg there? With your left hand behind, and then just take them into external femoral rotation. Distract, compact, distract, compact. That's a wonderful technique. That's step 1. Step 2, bringing the feet up here. Now we're going to want to drag this ilium back, making sure that it's back. So this is the second technique to do it. I like to do all 3 of these together. So notice how my hand this time is coming under. Be sure that you come under the ipsilateral leg and up onto the, anywhere up on by the knee, above the knee. So here's the key on this one. This foot has to come over this way. Because the plane of the sacroiliac joint is at a 45-degree angle. Remember that? It's a triangle jammed down between 2 ilia bones all day long. Jammed down between there. We're going to try to get them out. So here it's at this angle. So what do? We want to take advantage of that by going at this angle, driving it along this way, right? So here we go. See that? That's what it does. So here we go. Pulling it up, pulling it up. Okay, now I want you to pull that hip up towards your right ear. Just pull that hip up. Perfect. 2, 3, perfect. 4, 5, and relax. And then I just give it a little bit more. It doesn't matter if this foot wobbles around. It doesn't matter because the force is still coming through that femoroacetabular joint, and that's what we're after. Okay. 2 to 3 times, depending on what you got there. Okay, let's put them here now. Okay, so that's really helped the problem with the sacroiliac joints, but what about the third joint of the pelvis? What is it? Pubic symphysis. Got to get the pubic symphysis right. How do you get that right? Well, the simplest ways, and old technique, that you just come in with your arm between the client patient's knees, and you ask them to start pushing together, push nice and hard, and then I want her to bridge up. So slowly bridge up while she keeps this force coming down. She keeps pushing all the way down. Now down, 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 down. Keep pushing here. Again, come on up. Rock it a little bit while they're up there. And come on down. One more time, come up there. Rock it a little bit. And come down. Okay, so that is the way that you align the pubic symphysis. Now, the last little piece of this is the opposite direction. I'm going to come in and cradle the knees together, hold them together. And then I'm going to ask her to spread her knees apart. Well, what the heck does that do? What good does that do? If you've got the knees pinned here, why would you ask them to spread their knees? Because it decompresses the femoral joint. If you've got this end pinned and she's spreading her knees apart, it's only got to pull that ball out of the socket, right? Here we go. Okay, spread hard. Now bridge up, slowly bridge up. Keep, yeah. Good. Higher, bridge up. Higher. Good. Okay, down, slowly down. Good, keep pushing. Good. No, you're doing good. Good. One more time. Good. And come down. Perfect. Good.